Mastering professional email salutations. Addressing multiple recipients. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we are going to focus on a vital part of email writing: how to correctly address multiple recipients using their titles and last names. This is an essential skill for maintaining professional and respectful correspondence, so let's get started. To start, let's talk about why proper salutations are important. They are the first thing the recipient reads, so they set the tone for the entire email. Using the correct form of address shows respect and professionalism. It's particularly crucial when addressing multiple recipients to ensure no one feels overlooked or less important. When addressing multiple recipients in an email, the best approach is to use each person's title and last name. It's crucial not to default to a casual greeting if the situation is formal. For instance, if you're addressing an email to Dr. Jane Smith and Mr. John Brown, the proper salutation would be, "Dear Dr. Smith and Mr. Brown." Note that each title and last name is included, clearly demonstrating that you are addressing both recipients with equal respect. There may be times when you need to send an email to a large group of people, making it impractical to list everyone by name. In these cases, a general professional greeting can be used. Here are a few examples. Dear team, dear colleagues, dear all. Even though you're addressing a group, these greetings maintain a level of professionalism that's crucial in a business setting. When you are addressing more than one person in an email, the order of the names matters. If the recipients have different ranks or levels of seniority, it is polite to list them in order of rank, with the higher-ranking person listed first. For instance, if you're writing to a CEO and a manager, your salutation should look like this: "Dear Mr. CEO and Mr. Manager." Similarly, if the recipients are of different genders, and their ranks or seniority levels are equal, list the woman first. "Dear Ms. Female and Mr. Male." Remember, these are traditional etiquettes and may vary depending on cultural context and individual preference. We've now covered how to correctly address multiple recipients in an email using their titles and last names. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember, the key is to always be respectful and professional. Practice these techniques in your own email writing and watch how it enhances your professional communications. Until next time, happy writing!